In today's video, I'm going to show you how to highlight text in PowerPoint using two simple methods, including the built-in text highlight tool and a great alternative using shapes if that option isn't available. This is a super useful trick for making important words stand out in your slides, whether you're building a presentation for school, work, or a client. If this tutorial helps you, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy PowerPoint tips just like this. Let's jump right in. First, let's look at the easiest method, which is using the built-in text highlight color tool. Start by opening your PowerPoint presentation and selecting the text you want to highlight. You can click and drag over a single word, a sentence, or even a full paragraph depending on what you want to emphasize. Once the text is selected, go to the Home tab at the top of the screen. In the font section, look for the text highlight color button. It usually looks like a marker or a pen tip. Click the drop-down arrow next to it and you'll see a selection of highlight colors. Choose the color you want and PowerPoint will apply it directly to the selected text. This works just like highlighting with a real marker, so it's a simple and clean way to draw attention to key information on your slide. If you want to change the color later, just select the text again and pick a different highlight shade. Now, if you don't see the text highlight color option in your version of PowerPoint, don't worry. There's a second method that works really well and gives you more control over the look. This method uses a shape behind the text to create a highlight effect. To do that, go to the Insert tab, then click Shapes and choose the rectangle shape. After that, draw a rectangle over the text you want to highlight. Try to make the shape match the size of the text as closely as possible so it looks natural. Once the rectangle is placed over the text, go to the Shape Format options and change the fill color to yellow or any color you want to use as your highlight. Next, you'll need to make sure the shape sits behind the text instead of covering it. To do that, right-click the rectangle and choose Center Back. If needed, you can also use the Arrange options to move it behind the text more precisely. Once that's done, the rectangle will look like a highlight bar behind the words, giving you a very similar effect to marker-style highlighting. This shape method is especially useful if you want to highlight just part of a text box, customize the transparency, or create a more stylized presentation. You can even resize the rectangle, change the color, or duplicate it across your slide for multiple highlights. It's a great workaround when the built-in highlight tool isn't available or when you want more design flexibility. So to quickly recap, if your version of PowerPoint has the text highlight color option, use that first because it's the fastest method. But if not, the rectangle shape method is an easy and reliable alternative that still gives you a clean highlighted look. Both methods are simple, beginner-friendly, and perfect for making your presentation more engaging and easier to read. If this video helped you out, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more PowerPoint tutorials, presentation tips, and productivity tricks. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.